and action. Oh yeah, it's going down like Chinatown. J-Mack with the lovely young Alice today. It's time for another fun family food review. It is Taste Test Tuesday! On Thursday. That was good, Alice. A little emphasis there. That was good. All right, where are we at today, young Alice? Zaxby's. We're going to Zaxville. Why are we in the house today? Well, I was originally going to do a food review with my buddy that's visiting from out of town. Guess what? He stood me up. I know. Calm down, fake studio audience. Don't throw any tomatoes at me. I didn't do it. I'm not the one that stood up. He stood me up. So we might do another food review for next week. I wanted you guys to make sure you brew him really loud. All right, so where are we at? We're going to Zaxville. It's all about that Zaxville hot action. Let's try it out. Let's see what it's looking like underneath. We got some Zaxville sauce, I guess, on there. Nice little chicken patty.
What's up
some
with
pickles.
The name?
Zaxville? I know. I've never heard of such a place. I think it's a fictional town somewhere. Probably in Georgia somewhere, I would guess. I think that's where Zaxby's began.
I have one single pickle.
One single pickle. Well, that's part of the Nashville hot. You know, they put the pickles in that Nashville sauce. So hopefully this is tasty. We're going to see what it's all about. Smells good. I've seen a few reviews on this. People really like that chicken patty. So let's take a closer look at that chicken patty. That looks like it is a nice chicken patty. Smells delightful. Let's see what it's all about. It's messy. All right, right off the bat. I don't know what they're thinking over there in Zaxville.
You don't like the pickles?
But I'm not feeling a bread and butter pickle. Bread and butter pickle? That is not what's supposed to be on a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. This isn't a Nashville hot chicken sandwich, so that is definitely a difference there. The bread and butter pickles, I can't stand those things. People try to switch up their pickles. Wendy's switched up their pickles a few years back. They started adding those bread and butter pickles like we wouldn't notice. Bread and butter pickles, they belong somewhere with sesame seeds on my hate list. I do not like bread and butter pickles. So without the pickle, it's a lot better. I'm just not feeling that sweetness.
Yeah, me either.
I
like the bun.
You like the bun? I do too.
It's like buttery or something.
It is. It's good. They toasted it and grilled it, it looks like. But yeah, take the pickles off. It's not bad. I still taste a little bit of the pickle residue, but it's not as overpowering. That sweet bread and butter pickle, I'm just not feeling it with the spicy Zaxville sauce. A lot better without the pickle. Now, if it had regular pickles, that would be cool. Not that sweet stuff. I think I'm ready to give it a rating. You want to go first or second?
I'll go first.
Go for it.
I'm going to go with a 3.
A 3 out of 5. I was thinking about a 3 out of 5 as well. But I think I'm going to go with a 4. Only without the pickles. You add the pickles, it goes down to a 2. You take the pickles off, it's a 4. So I took the pickles off. I'm giving it a 4, no pickles.
So is this supposed to be spicy?
Mm-hmm. Do you not feel any spice?
No, I don't.
Because you got that big giant pickle on yours still. It's overpowering the Zaxville spice. Take that pickle off. Get rid of that thing. What's wrong with you? Now take a big bite out of it. Get that pickle off. Like, feed it to the dog. What's on the other side?
Oh, there's another pickle.
A giant pickle. There's your giant pickle. Get rid of that thing. Ew. Now try it without the pickle. It's spicy. It'll creep up on you. It's a lot better without the pickles. I just cannot stress that enough.
It's hot.
The pickles must weaken it because they're so sweet and tangy or whatever. I don't. Bread and butter pickles. Boo. All right, I'm sticking with it. 4 without pickles. 2 if you keep the pickles on there. Because it's not a good combination in my opinion. That's it. That's all we got, Zaxby's. Get rid of them pickles, man. They have no business on that sandwich. As always, this is J Mack saying adios, arrivederci, sayonara, and goodbye for now. Until next time, peace and chicken grease. I'm out of here. Bye, Felicia.